Jotai is a Japanese and tiny state manager for React, and it's been used by TikTok, Adobe, and Meta. By tiny, I mean 2 kilobytes. It uses an atomic state approach where each atom is a unit that contains the state, which then you can use that atom by a hook similar to useState. Only this time you pass that piece of garbage to the hook. You can use atoms outside and inside each other. Now shut up and create a React with project. Let's then create a counter app, and then we dive into some other useful concepts. First, delete everything in the app function, then import all the necessary items from Jotai. After that, define your atoms or your piece of state to modify later. Then extract your state and setState function from the useAtom hook. Then simply define an increment and decrement function alongside with a reset function to kick some ass. Then we add the UI parts with event handlers that handle our to keep the state available even after refresh. You could use Atom with the storage, which saves the state in the browser storage. This is especially useful for language, theme, or forms to improve the user experience. But with our current code, the page should look something like this. I also improved the UI by using Tailwind. I talked a lot about Jotai, but all you care about is how I implemented all this. I used React Bits library. I put a GitHub link and a live demo in the description. The crazy fact of the day is that Zust and Jotai and some other things are made by the same guy. Also check out these in the documents. Final thought is that if you want to implement a state manager but don't want to learn one, Jotai is a fantastic choice. But in my opinion, it doesn't fit with a large scale application. Okay, love you, bye.